The Lagos State government has asked the Supreme Court for leave to commence contempt proceedings against the National Assembly for allegedly violating a subsisting judgment that declared federal legislation on lottery and gaming unconstitutional. In a motion filed by Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice, Lagos seeks approval to issue Form 48, a legal notice warning of potential contempt action. Lagos Counsel Bode Olanipekun argued that the Central Gaming Bill currently under consideration by the National Assembly breaches the Supreme Court's November 22, 2024 judgment in Attorney General of Lagos State and others versus Attorney General of the Federation and others. And joining us now is a lawyer, Mary Odewuyi, for more on this story, and she joins us all the way from Lagos. Good evening, Mary. Can you tell us what the legal reasons are that Lagos State is seeking contempt proceedings against the National Assembly over the Central Gaming Bill?
Thank you very much. So first of all, this is a very serious case. And the reason is because it has to do with three main parties. We have the Supreme Court, which is the highest court in Nigeria. We have the National Assembly. We also have the Lagos State government. Now, this contempt proceeding, Form 48, is brought because the NAS doesn't have the right regarding the Game Act. And now, there was a Supreme Court judgment delivered November 2024. That is, Attorney General of Lagos State and Attorney General of the Federation, where it stated that NAS doesn't have the right as enshrined under the 1999 Constitution. However, that is NAS still went on to disobey this court order that is still subsisting. And what do you do when what does the other party do when another party is disobeying a subsisting order of the court? The remedy is to file Form 48. And what does this Form 48 mean? It is to, warn you in court to purge yourself from every unrighteousness, pending when we cannot decide to file Form 49, which cannot give the other party to, file an affidavit in response to that Form 49.
So can you tell us how how does Lagos State argue the Central Gaming Bill violates the Supreme Court's November 2024 judgment on federal legislative powers over gaming and lottery?
Very simple. The Supreme Court followed what has already been enshrined in the 1999 Constitution of Nigeria as amended. And the Supreme Court not following this, what the Constitution has provided, would cause constitutional confusion. So it is clear this is what the Constitution provides, and what is the duty of the court, the judiciary, is to interpret, which is what has been done. So.
Okay, thank you so much, Mary, for joining us and giving us
giving us your view
on this situation and topic. Thank you.